Okay. I apologize for the quality of the audio on this. I got home without my headphones to record, and so I'm using the internal mic on my computer, and it's not super great. Okay, this video is a super quick review on lines and the things you should know about a line. Okay, if I know 2 points on a line, I should be able to find the slope of the line. Slope of the line is the rise over the run, and the rise over the run rise we get by subtracting the y's. The run has to do with x values. We can subtract the y coordinates in either order. It doesn't matter which one we start with, as long as we are consistent and start with the same x on the bottom. Okay, we would get the slope is -1 either way. Okay, if I have an equation of a line, okay, instead, and I need the slope, there's not a reason for me to find 2 points on the line and then go through this process. Nice thing about lines is that I can rearrange the formula, get the y all by itself, and this is the form y equals mx plus b, where the number, the coefficient in front of the x, there's the slope of my line. You should be able to find x-intercepts and y-intercepts of not only lines, but any of the relations that we talked about in chapter 2 or 3. Okay, remember, x-intercepts come happen when y is equal to 0, and y-intercepts happen when x equals 0. So if I plug in y equals 0 into this equation, I find out x is 18/5. I will always ask you to write x-intercepts and y-intercepts as ordered pairs, meaning x equals 18/5 is not full credit on a homework quiz or test. You need to write me the ordered pair 18/5, 0. To find the y-intercepts, we plug in 0 for x and solve for y. Again, writing it as an ordered pair. The 0 went in for x and the -2 for y. Okay, also remember, if I have slope-intercept form of my line, I could have gotten the y-intercept from the equation. Okay, but this will work even if I'm dealing with a parabola or a circle or any other higher degree polynomial, a rational function, anything like that. If I'm given a point, I'm hung up on 5 today, I guess, and a slope, I should be able to write the equation of the line. There were 2 ways that I showed in the videos in the modules. The one that more students typically use is starting and ending with slope-intercept form. So I plug in the x and the y and the m and solve for b. And then I can say y equals mx plus b. Okay. Now, we may not always be given the slope numerically. Okay, maybe they said, I want to have a relationship to another line. Maybe I wanted to be parallel or perpendicular to this line. So I would have to know what to do with that slope to write my equation. Maybe they give me 2 points. Say I want the line that goes through these 2 points, where I have to find the slope myself. Okay, any combination of those things, any of the stuff that you did on your homework, is fair game to ask, for me to ask again on the test. But I think in a nutshell, know how to find the slope, find intercepts. Well, let me scroll. Know how to write the equation of a line. Okay, review your relationship of slopes for parallel and perpendicular lines. And that is all I'm going to say about that for now. So give me a shout if you need me.